For B, we know we're looking for the 21st term, and this is arithmetic. So whenever I'm looking for the 21st term, I'm going to use a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. I'm looking for a sub 21. A sub 1 is the first term. That's 3. N is 21, so this will become 21 minus 1. And we know that d is negative 3. So we need to use PEMDAS here. Parentheses first. This becomes 3 plus 20 times negative 3. Then there are no exponents, so let's do multiplication. 3 plus negative 60. And finally we can add. And we get negative 57. For C, we're looking for the general term. Again, the general term is a sub n is a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Let's plug in what we know. A sub n is going to be, our first term is negative 7. We'll leave n minus 1 as it is, but we know that d in this case is 5. We're adding 5 every time. And this is a perfectly good answer, or if you are the sort who likes to simplify things, you can distribute that 5, so we have negative 7 plus 5n minus 5, 5n minus 5, and then just combine like terms. So a sub n is 5n minus 12. Again, either one is fine. For D, we're looking for the 13th term. So a sub 13 is going to be, our first term is a sub 1, which is negative 7, plus 13 minus 1 times our common difference, which we can see is 5. Again, PEMDAS. Parentheses first, then multiplication, then finally addition. And for E, find the number of terms. So this is the trickiest question. We're looking for n. Find the number of terms, find n. What we know is that our last term is 95, and our first term is negative 3, and our common difference is plus 2. So I'm going to go to a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, and I'm going to plug in what I know. We have 95 for our last term. Our first term is negative 3. I don't know what n is, but I do know the common difference is 2. So now I need to solve this equation to figure out what n is. Let's distribute the 2. So that gives us 95 equals negative 3 plus 2n minus 2. I'm going to combine like terms, so 95 is 2n minus 5. I'm going to add 5 to both sides, so 100 equals 2n, and then divide both sides by 2, so n is 50.